Hello, it's old Cyber Dude here, and today I'm going to look at my favourite piece of searching software for Windows. It's a third-party app called Listary. Today I'm using Windows 11 and it's running on a virtual box or a VM machine, and it's Oracle VM virtual box this is running on. So I finally managed to get up and running. So I'm just going to show you just now. So if I go into Edge, click on that, open it up, and I type Listary. And we search there, find the search app launcher, download Listary for free, we'll just do that. So there's one I've already downloaded for testing purposes, I think. Anyway, open it up, it says I accept the agreement, yes, next, standard cost installation, run Listary. Okay, so close that back down there, it's there, Listary. So it is running. How do you know it's running? If you click on a folder, any folder, you open up there, for example, it could be home or this PC, for example. So if you type anywhere on the screen here, I created a document earlier on with a certain name, so it's called testing. Alright. There's a lot of other folders and other files, DLL files that come up here under testing, but there it's there, it's top of the link, testing for search app. So it's very quick. I just type in search. Here again, testing for search app. You can right click that and open containing folder. There you have it. It's in users VBox user documents, so it's there. It's just a bog standard text document I created. So that's Listary. Now you can also search for everything here. You can, for example, you can search for JPEGs, .jpeg. It brings all the JPEGs up your system. Right, go through everything here. Cool Mountains, for example. Right click on that, it says open containing folder, and you get the folders and downloads. So I downloaded that not long ago. Cool Mountains as a background wallpaper. For example, what's any MP3s here? Windows, now what's this guy, Jenny, Aria? What's this? I don't know what this is, let's have a listen.
Hello, my name is Guy. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use for your screen reading needs with Narrator, which is the screen reader app built into Windows. You can use my voice while interacting and reading text with Narrator, and I hope you give me a try.
Oh, so it's a narrator voice called Guy. That's very interesting, I've not used that before. And a couple other things when searching as well. So if I type in testing, for example, there you go. You don't have to right click it. You can right click it, but you can copy it, cut it, copy to clipboard, edit with VS Code, etc. So, or you can just basically, I'll do it again. You can click it, just left click it. Testing. That's not correct. I'm getting old, so forgive my that's not spelt right either. So it's testing. Okay. You can just click it from the software application itself and it should open up. There you go. You don't have to right click it. Right click basically opens the containing folder it's in, so where it's located in your computer system, or if you just left click it, it will just run the program or open the file up from the Listary app. Okay, that's Listary, my favourite search application of date. Give it a try. Bye for now.